Welcome to Get Answered. Playing videos in the background is convenient if the video part of it is not critical, for instance, if you're listening to music or ASMR. By following the steps, you will be able to play YouTube videos in the background for free. Let's get started. Open Chrome browser in your Android. Now open YouTube. It will open mobile YouTube. Click on the vertical three dots icon on the top right and select Desktop Site. Reload the page. Now search for any video or song you want to play. Now exit to the home screen, but you'll notice that the video will stop playing in the background. Pull down the notification shade, and you will see the media controls of the video that you just played. Now simply tap play and your video will start playing in the background. Let's move on to the iPhone now. Open YouTube on Safari browser. After the page is loaded, tap the AA icon on the top left, in the address bar, followed by Request Desktop Website. Now search for any video and play it. As the video starts playing, just exit to the home screen. Open Control Center. See the music controls box on the top right. Now, simply tap play to resume playing the video in the background. If you think this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.